Bagong taon, bagong series to binge watch na naman mga kapatid. At bago nyo pa man yan mapanood, may nakakakilig na mensahe ang mga bida. Nasa frontline na balitang yan, si MJ Marfori.
Hi, MJ. I think you're on mute.
Gaano
You
ka
can begin right away.
excited? Ganito lang naman. Dahil nga New Year, syempre, ito todo ang kilig sa buena manong romcom ng 2026. At ang bida, match made in heaven, kapatid! Si Kim Son Ho at Go Young Jung sa highly anticipated series na Can This Love Be Translated? At syempre, exclusive silang nakatsikahan ng News 5. At speaking of kilig, alam mo ba na walang direct translation ng Tagalog word na ito? Kaya naman si Kim Son Ho, na translator din ng role, inarte na lang para sa News 5. Hong cute! Ang Can This Love Be Translated ay tungkol sa top actress na si Cha Moo-hee at sa kanyang multi-language translator na si Joo Ho-jin. Lagi silang magkasama pero super challenge na aminin ang feelings nila sa isa't isa. Pero off-camera, wala raw silang keme o hiyaan.
일단
Everyone she works with, every member of the crew, she's a very open and approachable person. So before we would shoot a scene, we would go there, to move around, get a sense of the ground, touch different objects, and talk about, should we do it this way? How about this? And so we were able to communicate before we went into the shooting process, and I think that led to a very organic chemistry.
라고 고민을 하고
Sa inang dalawa, ironic daw na ang pinakamahirap i-translate ayon sa kanila ay ang the language of love.
사랑이라는 감정
Love
자체가
itself is definitely difficult to translate, but when it comes to talking about how much do you love somebody, I feel like it's a very tricky thing to translate in between languages because in Korea, we use the expression, I love you until death or to the point where I die. But I feel like in a different language, having the word death or die in there may come off differently. Love can also have different meanings. It can mean that you want to be romantically together. It can mean that you care for the other person, or you can just be very grateful or thankful to the other person. And also, words of love can be used in different circumstances and can carry different meanings. So that's why I think it's the most difficult.
Si Go Young Jung ay hinangaan sa Alchemy of Souls, Resident Playbook at movie. Si Kim Son Ho naman ay isa sa may pinakamalaking Pinoy fandom dahil sa kanyang portrayal as good boy sa startup at hometown cha-cha-cha. May mensahe naman siya sa News 5.
Yes. Congratulations. That's it. Oh, yeah. Go ahead.
Thank you so much for bringing amazing energy to the interview. It was a long day of interviews and we really needed that. So thank you. Thank you so much for that.
Cutie points talaga. Mapapanood na ang Can This Love Be Translated this January 16 sa Netflix. Nagbabalita mula sa Frontline. MJ Marfori, News 5.
Mga kapatid, Jervy Wrightson po. Eto na nga. Para sa latest showbiz news at iba pang kay-alaman, mag-follow at mag-subscribe na sa social media pages ng News 5.